If your OpenCore Legacy Patcher screen is not on, go to your desktop and click on the OpenCore Patcher icon. On the pop-up, click OK. Click Build and install OpenCore from the OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Your OpenCore configuration is being built. The pop-up will ask, would you like to install OpenCore now? Click Install to Disk. On the pop-up, choose your actual computer hard drive, the drive you just installed Sequoia on, not your USB drive. On the pop-up, you must select the EFI volume. Another pop-up will ask you to reboot. Select Reboot and hold the Option key while your computer